You don't choose a leader because you like him. You choose a leader because he's capable. You don't have to like him. He's capable, that's all. You don't like him, so what does it matter? He's doing the job that he has to do, you don't like him, what does it matter? You choose somebody to a leadership position not because you like him and dislike him, only for competence. Competence is the only value. But unfortunately, in our country, we are going on like this, that we want our leader the way we want to love him. You don't have to love him, you just have to support him to fulfill what he has to do. That's a leadership position. He is good, he is bad, this is not your business. This is not your business, then you will do nothing fruitful in your life. You will go about making moral commentary about everybody. Nothing will happen in that kind of situation. A leader, we have chosen one human being to be a leader simply for his competence and nothing else. Other things are not your business.